If you want to purchase a DLC for a specific game, what you can do is you can select the game that you wish to purchase DLC for, and then go to options by pressing the plus button. Then over here in software information, we want to go to Nintendo eShop. Now in this case, I'm using Rocket League, which I don't think it actually has various different DLCs. We have some packs over here that can be purchased, but generally speaking over here we can find the DLC. So let me use a different game as an example. So let me use this game as an example, the Hot Wheels Unleashed. So if you go to the Nintendo eShop from the main menu, then as you can see here we have downloadable content, and we can see some examples, but we can also choose view list if there is more than that. And you should be able to find the whole list of DLCs that you can get. In some cases for free, in some cases they are of course paid, but essentially if you select it you should be able to either download or purchase the DLC for the game. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.